Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Vision of the Divine Cosmic Form. Chapter 11, Shloka 26 and 27. All the sons of Dhritarashtra, with hosts of kings of the earth, Bhishma, Drona, and the son of a charioteer, Karna, with the warrior chieftains of ours.
Chapter 11, Shloka 26. Ami chatvam dhritarashtrasya putraha sarve sakaiva vanipala sangaihi bhishmo drona suta putrastataso sahasmatiyair abhiyodamukyaihi.
Into your mouths with terrible teeth and fearful to behold, they precipitatedly enter. Some are found sticking in the gaps between the teeth, with their heads crushed into pulp.
Chapter 11, Shloka 27. Vaktrani te tvaramana vishanti damsha karalani bhayanakani kechit vilagna dashanantareshu sandrishyante churnitairuttamangaihi.
Chapter 11, Shloka 26 and 27. This particular section is mainly for reassuring Arjuna of the success that is yet to come in the future for himself and his army. The Lord directly shows the forces enter the inescapable mouth of time and disappear. That philosophy is complete, which points out that the Supreme is in fact its absolute nature beyond all qualities. The absolute reality is the substratum of its own cosmic form, in the totality of which there is both good and bad, soft and hard, and bitter and sweet. No creation is complete without being preceded by the process of destruction. Change can be interpreted either in terms of constant creation with regard to the made products, or as a process of constant destruction with regard to the raw material that changed. Thus, the reality is viewed as the omniscient creator or as the omnipotent sustainer, as well as the all-powerful destroyer of all names and forms. Arjuna does not see the universal form itself devouring the names and forms. He observes all names and forms enter in haste into thy mouth. Like the ocean doesn't rise to absorb the waves, but the waves that have risen from the ocean played on the surface rush back to disappear into the very ocean. The multiplicity which has risen from the totality after its play upon the surface of the truth must rush back in all hurry into the very whole from which they had risen. Arjuna watches all the sons of Dhritarashtra, the hosts of kings, Bhishma, Drona, Karna, the son of charioteer, along with the warrior chieftains of ours, entering perceptively into the yawning mouth of the principle of destruction in nature. This gives Arjuna the confidence to look ahead, even though less in number compared to the Kurus. This vision was a peep into the future. Lord expresses himself as the entire world of phenomena where a conception of oneness arises, in which not only space shrinks but even time becomes an object of observation. Arjuna saw the past merging with the present and moving forward to mingle with the entire future. The aspect of the terrible is also seen in the truth, where all are seen to enter with their heads crushed into pulp. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjot Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.